I swear, the things I do for YouTube. Here I am, wearing my four-wheeling helmet while cutting the grass. Join me? Alright, so I'm on the Scag here. Turn this thing on, turn the choke on. There we go. Alright. Probably can't hear too much. We'll find out how this works. This is just a test. And away we go. This is going to be the final cut of the year, as it is about to be November in about 4 days. So Charlie's over there on the Kubota right now. He's cutting up stuff. And I'm over here on the Scag. This grass is pretty wet, but this Scag is pretty commercial grade. So it handles the wet okay. It doesn't really have any problems with it. Definitely should get the weed whacker out and cut this up a little bit. And then we need to get that stump grinder out because we have a couple little mines right here. You don't always see this stump. Look at that pile. That pile is almost bigger than the tree. He's probably making fun of me. Why is he wearing a four-wheeling helmet while cutting the grass? Or we spent the night up here at the cabin last night. Did a little bit of cleaning in the garage downstairs, but not too much. You don't always have to work. I don't know about you, but whenever I cut grass like this, with the leaves in it and it's kind of wet, I always think of that old Disney show, Pete and Pete, where they have the intro and he's just pushing grass with the little old push mower. Looks just like this. I think of Pete and Pete every time. Charlie took the flail mower and cut all up here next to the house. That's definitely an area a zero turn or even a tractor can't get to. It's so steep right there, you would slide right on down. So let's do a lap around this bush here, not running over these sticks. Oop, got that stick. So you got to join us for an entire season of Uncle Charlie's Cabin. Y'all were with us when we started cutting for the season. We had our season opener. That's when I broke this, when the belt wore down just enough where it cuts into the PTO wire as a safety precaution. So I thought I broke it, but it was really the belt just saying, hey, I am stretched to the absolute limit right now. I don't have anything left. And here we are closing it out. Shooting leaves up. Pretty soon it'll be snowy. Hopefully we can get up here when it's snowy. These driveways are fairly steep, so if you don't have really good tires and really good four-wheel drive, you'll just slide right on down. Oh, look at that. Look at all them leaves just flying around. We'll just keep cutting them up. Mulch them up. Mulch them up. All right, now we can cut the front part of this yard. You wouldn't even be able to know I'm on a driveway right now. This used to be rock. Grass just keeps growing in thicker and thicker. The more poison we put down, the more grass comes back. Gonna try and do a perimeter pass without hitting any rocks. I try and follow the hill a good bit, but this grass is wet, so I'm not gonna go too close to the edge. Oh, Charlie's got a big... Look at that. That's firewood for me right there. Part of it looks a little rotten, but still, wood is wood. Doesn't fall grass look so nice? After summer's rolled through and everything's been in summer dormancy, all dried up, and then fall gets here and this grass just looks so nice. Some ways better than spring grass. And speaking of season finales, we are coming up on the end of the first year of what was Mike Builds turns into Sometimes Builds, an episode every Saturday, 7 a.m. for 52 weeks. And I definitely know y'all want to see more Vanagon content. So I got some projects in the works for that, but you know how these things go. Got to get the grass cutting done before the colder temperatures get here. Got to get the garage actually, set up so I can do longer term projects. There's always something going on. This grass cutting goes pretty fast when I'm just chit-chatting with y'all. Oh, he recently dug that tree out. He tried to transplant a tree from his house in Maryland. West Virginia said no. By that I mean West Virginia dirt said no. Killed it. Dive, dive, dive! So we finished the front yard and the front side yard. I usually call that phase 1 and 2. So I'll do down this hill as well. Always good to see, you know, where you're going. Oh, maybe I'm not on the road entirely. A little bumpy there. Oh, he graded this. That's why it's rough. It's a little tore up. There we go. Now we can see a driveway again. Cool, cool. Not going to worry about that area. And I'll enter right here and I'll just do a line up the road. And I'll probably just cut this area right here. I don't need to do the backfield. Or the side field, I should say. I usually call this phase 4. Phase 3 being behind the house and that little triangle area I didn't cut. I avoided phase 3. Moving on to phase 4. Cut along the road here, but not sliding down the hill. Oop, not sliding down the hill. And then we'll go straight down. See, oh, that's pretty low. It doesn't need to be cut. We'll make a nice little line right here. Oh, it's so bumpy. And, oh, this is where the previous line was that he would always cut right here. So I'll make this my line and go back around. But look at all these, I forget what kind of tree they are. There's tons of them here. Kind of hard to avoid them. I wouldn't be standing next to this mower. It'd be like softballs getting launched at you. Once I finish this second roundabout pass, then I'll just do some straight lines. And I'll do this one horizontally, the other one vertically. So many leaves, can hardly tell where I was. I'm just going to cut straight through that area. There we go. Into the little minefield right now. All right. And it's kind of nice. I'm pushing all the leaves to my right. So I'm pushing them deeper and deeper into the yard away from the road. So definitely makes it look better. Maybe I'll do a smaller square. Let's do a downward pass. Let's see what happens. Let's see what kind of mess I make. Also, it's kind of good to reset it. I pushed like 3 rows of grass to my left currently. So now I'm shooting all that dead grass or cut grass back out to the right. Then I want to make another pass. I'm not cutting through 4 rounds of grass. And back down into the minefield. It doesn't look too bad. 3 passes one direction, 1 pass the other direction. And there's a stick that I have avoided all year. Could I get out and move it? Yep. Could I run it over? Probably. Yep. Don't tell Uncle Charlie I ran over that stick. Keep that between us. Now I'm able to make a couple straight shots. I'm going to make a straight shot right through here. Whoa! See? I don't run over every stick. Maybe that's why grass cutting is so relaxing. Because you can make little squares and then you just kind of wear them down, cut them down to nothing. And so I made this little square right here. I was hoping to wear one of my new beanies today. Just got them in this week, but it's about 70 degrees out here, and soon this flannel will be coming off. If you haven't checked it out yet, check out sometimesbuilds.com. We got 2 different styles of hats. one style of t-shirt with the logo on the front and the back, and we just got beanies in, and they're embroidered beanies. We have same style as the hat, one in silver, one in like a dark gray, with alternating embroidered colors, but trying to keep those as cost effective as possible so people can support the channel, but you don't have to pay an exorbitant amount of money for some apparel. Let me know what you think of them. You want something cheaper? Do you want me to just put like SB on it and make it as cheap as possible? Ooh. Thinking of doing like a white t-shirt for the summer months when it's super hot out. Oh, barely made it up here. Just a basic white t-shirt, sometimes build logo on the front, something insanely cheap. So everyone can just pick up a shirt, wear it when you're working in the garage, get it all messed up on oil and be like, it's fine. So you're not messing up one of your nice shirts, but hey, you're able to support the channel, so it's a win-win. Whoa! Don't tell Uncle Charlie about that, okay? Keep that between us again. What did I run over? Oh, a big rock. Lawnmower blades love big rocks, right? Makes them, it's like it sharpens them as you're cutting grass. Why does it smell like bacon back here? Now, I wasn't going to cut back here, but since we get the tractors back here all the time, and might as well have this cut nice and low. Cool, cool. Let's drive these leaves on the driveway back. So I'm going to do a driveway pass now. So this technically is supposed to be like a road. Not really. It's all grass. There's no gravel under there, but there's a barn back here. So I will make a driveway again. It'll definitely be nice to be in the cushy suspension of the Kubota L series. There's no suspension on this thing. Look at that, a little bit of a road carved through here. We used to use it all the time when we had all the trailers parked here, but now we keep the trailers in Maryland, so they're easier to get to. I think I should make a straight line through there. I kind of want to see how this lawnmower handles that. Think we should? Let's see how long it takes before the zero turn clogs up. This first pass is okay, but I bet if I went over where I'm shooting the grass out, I'd have issues. Oh, looks like that's where a deer slept. Then we'll turn around and do a straight shot back, and we'll see how it looks. Oh, I need to do this little trail we carved out here too. Let's see what this. Oh, that turned out pretty good. I mean, it missed a bit in the middle right there, but other than that, it did a decent job for how thick this grass is. This hasn't been cut all year. It's probably the fun part about cutting fields. You know it's going to grow back. So, make some trails, do some patterns in it, have fun with it. There we go, and now we join the main loop again. I've already cut what I wanted to cut. Now I'm just having fun and making trails. Oh, I forgot. I wanted to cut around the barn. Get a little bit of low grass here at the barn. See, there's a reason why that hasn't been cut all year. Oh, whoa! Big ruts in the ground there. Yeah, we'll get this grass cut right back by the barn. I'll do this section right here. Battery will probably be dead before I finish this, so I will see you at the Kubota.
Yeah, I was talking about that when I was cutting the grass. I was like, whoa, landmine, whoa, landmine. If you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you like Kubota content and grapple content and clearing out brush and making this a nice rolling hills kind of country cabin. So, catch you next time. Drop a thumbs up, drop a subscribe if you want to see more of this. If you have a question, Uncle Charlie can answer it below, because I surely won't know. See you next time. Peace.